You know, for a channel that talks a lot about driving your car and having fun with it, I don't think we really get behind the wheel that much. Let's change that. Never forget, cars are meant to be driven.
What's up, man?
What's up? Hello.
What's good, my boy? What's good? What's good? What's good?
Damn. Alright, so we have arrived to Kenny's spot.
This is the spot.
This is
Welcome
the spot, bro.
Welcome
We're
to
not
the
in my
spot.
garage today. We are with Kenny. Eventually, the goal is to get this car into my garage. But currently, it's not running.
No, it's running.
It's running?
Yeah, no,
Oh,
it's running.
shit.
It's running. Yeah. So like, I basically my old garage unit, it had like water leaking from the ceiling. So then it leaked right onto the battery because the hood was off. So I just cleaned the contacts, just popped a new battery, and it was good.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. But I was just kind of depressed for a little bit. So like, it sat for like a month, and then I'm like, you know, now it's good.
Sick.
This is a 1989 Sylvia S13 coupe. It's right-hand drive, imported from the motherland.
Who imported it?
I imported it. Yo, this was part of one of the first like batch of cars that I brought in from Japan. So like, has a lot of meaning, you know, has a lot of you know, it got flooded. This bitch got flooded a month after it landed.
Oh my
no
God.
Insurance. I literally watched it flood before my eyes. I got to the garage, it started pouring and it didn't stop.
Oh, man.
I wanted, yeah, like so
There's
like,
nothing you can do.
yo, like everything was telling me to just sell it, but like, fuck that. Like, we bought it bounce back, you know what I mean? Yeah. So
Nice, man.
I don't know, I'm excited. That's what makes it fun, building it.
Yeah, and I remember back in the day, you always talked about drifting.
Oh,
And
yeah,
this is what you want to do.
Yeah. So that's why I got like the knuckles for it. You know, just starting out, get comfortable. I want to get like actual seat time on the
Nice.
track. Like, dude, you don't understand how much I sim rig. Like, I sim rig for like an unhealthy amount, and I feel very good with it. So like, I just gotta now just translate it. I got the opportunity to do so. Like, I'm living life. You know what I mean? I'm straight up living life.
Nice. I've never had like a full-blown project car before, so I'm gonna live through you, and we're gonna do this together.
Dude, yeah, man, it's exhilarating. I'm doing so much of this shit for the first time, but like, it's nice because I got a daily. You know what I mean? Like, so like, yeah, it's fun because I do shit. I'm like, I did it. Like, I actually did it. You know? Oh, that's, yeah. So just place that
Yeah. Mad cold, bro. Holy shit. Why is it 40 degrees in April?
It's fucking April.
Alright, so this is the progress we got so far. We removed the whole coilover. We did the tie rod out with the ball joint. And now we just got to get this knuckle out. But the ball joint separator that we rented out from AutoZone, it's too thin. We need like a bigger fork to get inside of here. It wasn't grabbing properly. So this is as far as we got so far before we have to start replacing parts and attempt to do the other side.
Hell yeah, brother. Oh man, that's cool. You gotta do it like an F1 pit stop.
Alright, let's go. All the tools are over, let's do it.
It's too cold. I can't go fast.
I can't feel my fingers. I miss my climate controlled garage.
Oh my God, yeah. Just call me poor. Okay. Good shit. Oh, fuck. Very good. Oh, yes. Okay. Feeling hopeful.
Yay!
Yeah. That's like a whole day's job.
Be scared.
Oh God, I'm scared. I have a fear now of just shit flying in my eye. Alright, now I'm safe. I feel fine. Oh. What?
It came out.
Wait.
It came out.
Yeah.
Oh, that was it.
Wait.
That was easy.
It was the glasses. That shit came out so butter, I'm not even worried about the other one.
I was scared of the other side, bro. It's like a ticking time bomb.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Nice. Hello lights are needed here. That one's also 10. Oh,
wait.
Okay.
Very good. I don't know what happened there. Nice.
If you can get this one off, then maybe there's a chance for us to do the other side.
Oh, yeah, we couldn't get it off.
Yeah.
Should really try that drug game. It's really fun. You could do meth, even yourself, and just go to the casino and just...
What are you talking about? Tell the audience, what are you talking about?
It's called Schedule 1. It's like this game where you're basically a drug dealer and you run a drug empire, but like the mechanics of the game are actually very in-depth. It's very fun. Make different strains, street deal, run from the cops. You have drug dealer people pushing for you, have like a whole warehouse. It's so fun. And it's online too, so we can play it. Sell drugs together. I pushed it in what? I don't know.
No, I was able to get it in, but it's just not enough meat on the top.
Let's see.
Oh, you know what?
What?
We could probably put the hole in the top one so we get more clearance.
Put the hole in the top one.
Gimme. Take it off. You do this. Take it out. That's why you have
Oh!
holes. That's why.
Yo, that makes sense. Get on to something.
Oh!
Fucking stonks. Then we just gotta.
Yeah!
Good, right? Okay,
Yeah,
no, we're good. We're good. We're straight. All right.
I am so scared.
Yo, me too. Why is it not popping out? What if we leave it overnight? You think it'll eventually pop out? Okay, I remember. Why don't we just try like a different angle then?
Want to hammer it real quick? Just hit a little knock into it.
Should I knock it here?
Yeah. I don't know how we did that, but we got it off.
Yo, oh my god.
Pull that
dude.
shit off. Wait, did it get off?
Wait, no, it just.
Wait, what came off?
The ball joint tool just came off. No, this bitch is still on.
No. I was so hyped, bro.
Oh wait.
What?
Oh wait, it's out.
out.
Wait, oh it's out.
Oh, it came out.
Wait, it is out.
Oh,
wait,
shit.
Wait, is it? Wait, don't get excited yet. I feel like I just felt it move when I shoved this underneath. Yo, good shit.
Yo, we just went through like 50 different emotions right there.
Oh my god, that's fucking dumb.
We weren't sure if we got it off or not, and then we thought it wasn't, but then
Then
it
we
was.
found
And then it was.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, let's do this one now.
Now I'm just tired. Tired and happy. Should we put the jack?
Oh! It came out.
Get up. God. Oh my god, that's scary as fuck. Jesus fuck. Bless, dude. How
Oh
fucking
yeah!
How
Oh
fucking
fuck yeah, bro!
Oh my god.
We did it!
My legs are shaking. Oh god.
Hubs out everything.
Yeah, hell yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, now, now just putting this shit back. It's gonna be a lot easier. Still gotta take out the front lower control arms, but
No, that's
that
good
should be too
progress.
bad, yeah,
Good
yeah.
progress.
yeah, hell yeah. That was good progress. Yeah. For a Tuesday? For a Tuesday after work, I think that was fantastic progress.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's it.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh my god, yeah, let's get some good fucking beats.
Alright, you get to drive the car.
Alright, yo, we're taking John's car to his first takeover today.
Oh my god.
We're about to hit the craziest rollbacks.
Oh no.
Oh man, this is such a good, just driver's car.
You like the seat?
Dude, yeah, man, oh my god.
Fuck yeah.
God, it's so fun, man. Dude, oh my god, dude.
Yeah, that's what my car sounds like here.
I would just never want to leave like 4 to 6K RPM.
I know,
like,
man.
I would just go tone deaf.
This is what Pauline feels like in the car.
Oh yeah. Dude, you don't understand. I was like literally clenching my ass the whole time when you were driving. Like, I trust you. You know I trust you, but like, just something about being in this car, I think. Alright, one more baby bump. Oh my god!
Oh, you gotta do for the tunnel.
Oh my fucking god!
Sounds so good.
Dude, this car is just like a constant ejaculation. Just non-stop. Oh my god.
Over a decade ago is how we kind of met. And it was because of our cars were the same exact ones.
Same color?
Same color. The only difference between yours and mine, base model. We're both base model, both gray. Mine was just a 5-speed, his was a CVT.
Yeah.
And we became friends from that, bro.
Yeah. No, it wasn't a CVT, it was regular automatic.
Oh, automatic.
Yeah. CVT, thank God it wasn't a CVT. Automatic is at least a little more fun than a CVT. CVT is the most lifeless thing that's like ever.
Alright, we arrived to our dinner spot.
Wawa.
Oh, Wawa.
Wawa.
Look, there's an 860 over there. You think you know him?
What color is it? Oh!
I don't know. It's gold. Oh, look at the G80 of it?
No. Are they posted up?
They
Is
posted
this a
up, bro.
pop-up Wawa meat?
Pop-up Wawa meat.
Dude, the car, I came here like a couple weeks ago. It was actually kind of fucking, like, rowdy. Like, it was like a GTA lobby.
Oh, wait.
Those are not my people.
Those are your people.
They're my ex-people.
This dude really brought me to Wawa for pizza, and he brought me to like a car meet going on.
It's a GTA lobby. GTA lobby.
Oh, usually I don't mind like eating on my wing, but I felt kind of weird.
Nah, it's
Let's
a
go.
vibe.
Let's go.
Gotta do a burnout.
No.
And we can't fit in
Nah,
John's
man.
car.
Nah, man, I didn't want to be in that car meet. But what I'm gonna say is this is gonna throw us back to college days. But we used to watch this guy named Joey's World Tour, and while we're eating, we would watch him too.
Oh, this is a new one.
So I'm so surprised he's around. Not gonna lie.
Oh, no, dude, I know. Joey's
Well,
real.
at least he's in
Oh,
good
that's
health. That's the guy.
Back.
We are one step closer to getting the Sylvia back on the road.
One step.
One
Got
step.
most of the front suspension off.
Yeah, I think we actually got a lot done
That was a
today.
lot.
Not gonna lie. For what it's worth, on a Tuesday after 5 p.m., I think we got a lot of work, and then the last hour or so we've been just chilling.
Yeah. Chris Hansen, some food.
Yeah, Wawa meats.
Oh god, that's good.
I'm so excited to see the SRT on the road.
Dude,
bro.
yeah. Hopefully soon. Hopefully
Yes.
soon. Couple weeks, maybe a month.
I think so. I think it'll be easy. Done deal.
Yeah, yeah. Like, yeah. It's game time.
It's game
Game
time.
time.
Yes, we gotta see that car on the road.
Yeah.
We got this.
We'll
bro.
be outside soon.
We
We'll be
got
outside
this.
soon. Be
Yes.
outside soon.
Yes. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. We're gonna be doing part 2 with Kenny in the near future.
Yeah.
Hopefully the upcoming week or so I can come by.
Yo, come by anytime. I'm about to be here almost every day. So like, come
The
by
grind-
anytime.
The grind is real.
The grind is real.
You got this.
Yes, sir.
Back on the road.